Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Words for Wonder. In today's video, we are going to talk about different types of diets. First of all, it's diet and not diet. Okay, let's begin now. First, let's talk about the vegetarian diet. People who follow vegetarian diet do not eat any kind of meat. That means no chicken, no fish, no seafood. But they can eat vegetables, fruits and dairy products such as milk, cheese and yogurt. And in some cases, they may eat eggs also. Let's talk about a special type of vegetarian diet. It's called Lacto-Vegetarian diet. Lacto means milk. That means people who follow this diet, they eat milk products such as milk, yogurt, cheese, etc. along with vegetables and fruits. But they do not eat any kind of meat or eggs. People follow this diet because of their personal or religious beliefs. Next, we have Ovo Vegetarian diet. Ovo means eggs. People who follow this diet, they eat eggs and eggs related products such as omelette, boiled eggs and scrambled eggs along with vegetables and fruits. But they do not eat milk related products or dairy products such as milk, cheese or yogurt. Now, let's put them together. The Lacto-Ovo Vegetarian diet. That means people who follow this diet can eat eggs as well as dairy products. That means people on this diet eat eggs related products such as omelette, scrambled eggs, boiled eggs and cheese, milk and yogurt along with vegetables and fruits. Now let's talk about the vegan diet. This is 100% plant-based diet. That means people who are on this diet do not eat anything that comes from animals. That means no eggs or any kind of dairy products. They only survive on vegetables, fruits, grains, etc. People often follow this diet because they care about animals and the environment. Let's talk about a diet that includes seafood. The Pescatarian diet. People who follow Pescatarian diet eat fish and seafood, but they do not eat any kind of meat. Pescatarians also eat fruits, vegetables and dairy products. It is considered to be a healthy choice since this diet is full of healthy omega-3 fats. Let's talk about the Flexitarian diet. The word Flexitarian comes from flexible. People who follow this diet eat mostly vegetables, but they occasionally eat meat or seafood. It is for people who want to eat less meat but do not want to stop it completely. They are flexible with their food choices. So now you know different kinds of diets. Which one do you follow? Let me know in the comments. If you like my content, please feel free to like, share and subscribe. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.